Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unclog your hair follicles for amazing hair growth in 2024. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. It really helps to support me and this channel. Now before I show you how to unclog your hair follicles, I want to share with you why it's so important for your scalp and hair growth journey, as well as some of the main benefits. Now, unclogging your hair follicles is really important when it comes to hair growth and preventing hair loss, because if your hair follicles are clogged, you will not experience healthy hair growth. In fact, there's a good chance that you will begin to experience hair loss sooner than later. So what is a hair follicle and why does it get clogged anyways? Well, this is a picture of a hair follicle. A hair follicle is a tube-like structure or pore that surrounds the root and the strand of the hair. Now, hair follicles can get clogged with dirt, bacteria, fungus, overproduction of keratin protein, and trapped sweat. When your hair follicle gets clogged, it can lead to an inflamed scalp, clusters of small bumps or pimples around the hair follicles, and pus-filled blisters, which may also include burning and itching. So if you are experiencing excessive hair loss, thinning hair, dandruff, an itchy scalp, an irritated scalp, an oily scalp, or if you have product buildup on your scalp, or maybe you just want to be on a healthy hair care journey, then you definitely want to unclog your hair follicles. Now I'm going to share with you 5 benefits of unclogging your hair follicles, and then I'm going to show you how to unclog your hair follicles with ingredients found in your very own home. When you unclog your hair follicles, the first benefit is you're going to help your body to reduce scalp inflammation. The second reason is unclogging your hair follicles helps to balance the sebum production levels. Now, sebum is a natural oil that our body makes. However, in the case when there is too much or too little sebum, unclogging your follicles helps to balance this out. So your body will then start to make the amount that it needs so that your scalp is neither too oily or too dry. Number 3. When your follicles are clean, this is great for scalp circulation. Now this is key because when there is a healthy blood flow to your scalp, your hair follicles can get the nutrients more easily from your bloodstream. This promotes healthy hair growth and enhances your chances to regrow your hair from various scalp and/or hair loss conditions. Number 4, when your hair follicles are unclogged, many notice that their hair strands grow in thicker and stronger. And lastly, number 5, when you unclog your hair follicles, the natural products that you are putting on your scalp can easily be absorbed into your scalp and follicles without any hindrances. So these are the 5 main benefits on why unclogging your hair follicles are so important. Now I'm going to show you how to make a DIY mixture that will help you to unclog your hair follicles. Now please remember, before trying anything new on your scalp, you must do a patch test first.
Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, add 2 drops of tea tree oil, and then add 2 drops of peppermint essential oil. Mix all the ingredients in a glass of warm water, stir, and wait for them to settle. Pour this mixture onto your wet hair inside of the shower and massage your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water, and that's it.
Test this mixture on a small part of your body and wait a few days. If there is no adverse reaction, then feel free to try it on your scalp. Also, try to use it infrequently at first, and if there are no issues, then you can use it more frequently. Now, I hope this video helps you to get the best results on your hair growth journey in 2024. And if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Don't be a stranger, let's stay connected, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.